Do you have a hard time finding ways to organize your home? Don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some amazing hacks to organize your house. Number 1, a cleaning supply organizer. We all know the struggles of having way too many cleaning supplies and not enough space to put them. But don't worry, because all you need is a shoe organizer that hangs on your door. All you have to do is place all of your cleaning supplies here and place it in your bathroom or pantry, wherever you'd like. Number 2, desk organizer. This one is great if you have a lot of writing desk supplies. All you need to do is get an old cereal box and cut off the bottom of it, about 2 to 3 inches from the bottom. Now, cover it with your favorite sticker paper and place it in your desk however you'd like. You'll have the perfect place to put your pens, pencils, or any desk supplies you need. Number 3, shelf organizer. This one is perfect if you have a lot of uses for one specific shelf and want to organize it better. All you need is a shelf organizer or even a bookend. All you need to do is place it within your shelf that you place multiple things on, and you'll be able to separate your items easy. Number 4, cord organizer. This one is perfect if you have different things going in and out of the same outlet. All you need is a bottle cap for each cord. Get an X-Acto knife and cut out a small opening like so, as well as the middle of the bottle cap. Then, place it onto your wall after decorating it however you'd like, and it'll be an easy way to place your cords when they're not in the outlet. Number 5, organizing your pantry cans. This one is great if you have a lot of canned goods and they just disorganize your pantry so much. All you need is a couple file holders, like so, that you can get from your local dollar store, or even if you have some laying around. Place them in your pantry or cupboard and place the cans into it like so. They should fit absolutely amazing and organize your pantry super quickly. Number 6, an easy way to organize and decorate your home with pictures. All you need to do is get a paper clip and tape it to your fridge or any magnetic surface. Then get your favorite pictures that you want to free up space with and place a magnet over top of the picture under the paper clip. Once you're done, you'll have a collage of photos and some freed up space. Number 7, organizing your laundry room. We all know the struggles of keeping all of your laundry supplies on top of the washing machine and dryer, and just disorganizing everything in general. All you need to do to fix this problem is to grab some jars and some spoons like so. All you have to do is put your laundry supplies in the jars and use a little tabletop, if you'd like as well, to place all of them on. Your laundry supplies will look so much more organized and will still be easily accessible. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!